Once Python is installed, we will go ahead and install virtual environment. A virtual environment is an isolated working copy of Python which allows you to work on a specific project without being worrying about affecting other projects. It enables multiple side-by-side installations of Python, one for each project. However, it does not actually install separate copies of Python, but it provides a clever way to keep different Python project environments isolated. We will use pip to install virtual environment. Pip is a tool of Python which helps to install Python packages. Now open any command line interface. Now type the command pip install virtual env. Click on enter and it will install virtual environment. I have already installed this package, that's why it's showing that requirement already satisfied. Once virtual environment is installed, we can go ahead and create our first virtual environment. So here I have used the command virtual environment, which is virtual env space the environment name. Click on enter and here it is installed. The command installed a new folder called env1, and inside the folder you will find various files. At the root level you will see the virtual environment configuration file. And from this file you can see the installed Python version is 3.8.1. Once the virtual environment is created, now let's go back and activate our virtual environment. You can activate the currently created virtual environment from Windows by using this command. /folder name /scripts/activate. And here you can see the folder name env1 at the beginning. So that means our virtual environment is activated and ready to use. Now let's try to execute some command. If I just check the Python version from inside our virtual environment, you can see it's 3.8.1. Now once your work is done and you want to deactivate your virtual environment, you can just go ahead and type the command deactivate. And here you can see the env1 from the beginning is removed. So this is how we can use Python virtual environment.